No, very important on the nutritional benefit. I'm sorry I'm starting, but we'll miss something very important. Its bark has estrogenic combination and energizing effect on endometrium, inner layer of uterus and ovarian tissues. My God. Again, I am repeating the nutritional benefit of Asoka tree is the bark has estrogenic combination and energizing effect on endometrium, inner layer of uterus and ovarian tissue. The active constituent of the tree includes tannin, sterol, catechol, aluminium, strontium, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphate, potassium, sodium, and silica. My God. My. It is useful in menorrhagia, excessive menstrual bleeding due to uterine leiomyomas, the lion tumors, leiomyomas, leukorrhea, white discharge, internal blood loss. It makes uterus stronger and helps in easy fertilization. So many infertility cases can be solved with this mother tincture or in potency. I leave it to you to use in any potency. Any potency, anything can be used. Again, I would like to read estrogenic combination and energizing effect on the endometrium inner layer of the uterus and ovarian tissues. PCOS cases can also be solved with this mother tincture. Clinical indications of zoonosis occur. Basic, this remedy is like McCarb in the mind state and sepia like female symptom. So McCarb in mind state and sepia female symptom. So McCarb plus sepia is equal to zoonosis occur. So McCarb plus sepia equals to zoonosis occur. Leukorrhea, amenorrhea, metorrhagia, UTI, hemorrhoids, reflex headache. Now this is very important, reflex headache. So let's go to Simpsifuga, Borix Matermedica and see what is reflex headache. And my student knows it because I have taught them. So let's go to Boric. So let's go to Simpsifuga, Simpsifuga, Borix. Head. This is important. Are you able to see the line from Boric? Yes. So Boric, Simpsifuga, head symptom, wild feeling in the brain, shooting and throbbing pains in head after mental worry, like McCarb, overstudy, like calcarea floor, or reflex of uterine disease. This you have to write in your notebook. Waving sensation or opening and shutting like hemamalacia. Hemamalacia. Brain feels too large, pressing outward, tinnitus. Ear sensitive to least noise. Please open Borix Matermedica Simsifuga. while feeling in the brain, shooting, throbbing, pain in the head, after mental worry, overstudy, or reflex of uterine disease. So, mathu dukhu, head pain, from reflex uterine disease is very important. Now, repertory of Jonosia Sukha, head, complaints of head by uterus, pain side, one side, pain accompanied by back pain, pain air, open air emulation, free flow of menses. This is very important. It is given by Lippe in Lippelis maternity. Pain air in open emulation given in Lippe's maternity. Free flow of menses. Please, for God's sake, understand the value of this symptom given by Dr. Lippe. Pain congestion form, pain menses emulation, lachesis, valerina, and gincumbent. Eye photophobia, coryza accompanied by smell, loss of smell, discoloration tongue heavily coated, nausea accompanied by thirst, repertory of female genital, okay? Heat, uterus and cervix, lepis albalae, leukorrhea, menses absent, absent in girls, menorrhagia, ovaries pain, pain in menses before, pain menses during, tumor ovaries. Too many cases you will have this tumor ovaries, tumor ovarian cyst. See, this is very important. Tumor ovarian cyst accompanied by menses scanty. Very important. Very. Then tumor uterus cyst, Metcalf, Sabina, and Jonosia. Tumor uterus myoma, uterus complaints of head pain, Simsipa pulsatilla sapien. Repertory dream, food, drink, and joints. Now dreams, frightful and journey. This you will see in Borix maternity. Borix. Sour food desire, craving for acid, pickle, and candy. Lipase maternal. Sweet desire, you will see in Borix. Joints, complain of small. This drug was used by native physicians for menorrhagia, metorrhagia, leukorrhea, and delayed menses, amenorrhea, puberty, with headache, palpitation, hysteria, loss of appetite, constipation, pain in ovaries, congestive feeling in pelvic organ before menses, pain in both ovaries, pain in sacral region, better by appearance of menses and free flow. Bladder irritable. Girl child getting thin, emaciated in spite of getting usual nourishment. This is very. Let's go to Boric for Jonosia Asoka. So let's open Jonosia Asoka. Boric's Metro Medical. See, a dream of traveling. This is very important for Jonosia Asoka. Desire for sweet and also aesthetic things given by Lippe and bark of Indian tree introduced by Andy Ray of Calcutta. Extended sphere of action of female organ, amenorrhea and metorrhagia, Saracandia, amenorrhea pain, atriflex, uterine symptom, amenorrhea, hysteria, coldness between the shoulders, dislike of warm food, creates strange food, palpitation, sleeplessness, dislike of warm food, reverse of lycopodium, unilateral headache, reflex uterine, again see reflex uterine, congestive headache like glonoin, better by open air, pulsatilla by free flow, zincum lachesis and zinc ballerina, pain in eyeball, supravascular spasialia, nasal catarrh, profuse watery, loss of smell, justitia adulterale. So let's move to another mother tincture. So next interesting mother tincture is Terminalia chabula. What a remedy it is. What a remedy.
Excuse
Terminalia.
me, Dr.
And
Karya.
several cases of Terminalia are improving like anything.
Dr. Karya.
Terminalia.
Hello.
हाँ बोलिए.
Namaskar, Dr. Karya.
Can we put it in the end, dear?
Is it possible to have one small question?
Let it put it in the end, please. It is a request.
Ah,
There
okay,
are
okay. That's
many
perfect.
mother
Okay.
teachers will be
Yes.
leaving it because mother teacher is very big topic.
All right. All right. Thank you.
Repertory of Terminalia cebula. Now this is very important mother tincture with mind symptom, ailment from injuries, accident, and mental symptoms from where arnica and natrum sulf you are using. Arnica, arnica and natrum sulf and cicotavirosol. Cicotavirosol cases. Mind clinging to attendance like antimbtat. Clinging to attendance is antimbtat. Clinging children in fear happen something will Gelsemium. Fear of thunderstorm, phosphorus, carcinosin, and many others. See how beautiful the mind symptoms of Terminalia cebula. We have never heard of this mind symptom. We are missing such a beautiful remedy, Terminalia cebula. Herde. This is basically herde. Vertigo of Terminalia cebula. Air opening ambulation. Cold bathing ambulation. Sunlight in. Head injury is very important. Head injuries. Ammoniacum gummi is one of the drugs. Ammoniacum gummi, vision loss after head injury. This is one of the drug is ammoniacum gummi. Dr. Sarkar, learning from Dr. Sarkar. Dr. Sarkar had prescribed this. I have learned from Dr. Sarkar's ammoniacum gummies. Repertory of Terminalia Arjuna. Discoloration, tongue brown, tip brown. This is very important of Terminalia. Dryness of tongue tip. Flabby tongue. Very important again. Flabby. Pain tongue. Pain tongue burned as if tongue sour, sore. Inactivity of liver. My God. This is beautiful symptom we are missing of Terminalia cebula. Inactivity of liver accompanied by constipation, daily night, kayam churna, per day. Kayam churna. Kayam churna. Seth brothers ka kayam churna. पिक्चर में एडवर्टाइज, टीवी में एडवर्टाइज, करोड़ों और अरबों रुपया अर्न फ्रॉम टेलीविजन, अब्जों रुपया, सेठ ब्रदर्स का कायम छोड़ना, इनएक्टिविटी लेयर ऑफ अकम्पनीड बाय कॉन्स्टिपेशन, अब्जों रुपया कायम छोड़ना, डिसेंट्री, हेमरेज, हेमरेज फ्रॉम हेमोरॉइड, कितने केस सर, बिलीव मी, n number of cases, never prescribed terminalia treatment. I can show you results from my patients. Back pain lying hard on something angulation. Netramure cases. Pain lumbago sitting aggravation. Now see the pain injuries after injuries long. So let's show you the सबसे important is hyperlipidemia. Believe me, dear student, hyperlipidemia you will definitely get result. I will like to show you the repertoire of terminalia cebula from one of the repertory. This is terminalia cebula. आप लोग को दिख रहा है वो रेपेटरी आ रही है बेटा इसमें. See the last line, generals hyperlipidemia, terminalia cebula. आपको प्रूफ बता दिया मैंने. Terminalia cebula, rectum constipation, ineffectual desire and straining, scanty stool with पीकू केसेस ना, अमिताभ बच्चन था ना, उसको लेटरिन ही नहीं आ रहा था सुबह. ओल्ड केसेस में आप लोग को पता नहीं होगा, सुबह का प्रॉब्लम यही होता है, एडवर्टाइज नहीं लेते. अभी तो निकल जा भाई, अभी आ नहीं रहा है. मेरा नंबर कब लगेगा? वो अंदर बैठा हुआ है, लेटरिन पास ही नहीं हो रहा. थिंक अबाउट टर्मिनेलिया, सी द सिम्टम, कॉन्स्टिपेशन, इनएफेक्चुअल अर्जिंग एंड स्ट्रेनिंग, स्कैंटी स्कूल वीक. आपने नक्स वोमिका 30, 200, 1 m, 10 m, 50 m, cm, नक्स वोमिका दे दिया, 10 m, cm, 50 m, lm, मैग्म्यूर, लाइकोपोडियम, पर टर्मिनिया चेबुला कभी भी नहीं सोचने, क्योंकि हमको पता नहीं है. रेपेटरी बता रहा हूं मैं आपको. क्रॉनिक कॉन्स्टिपेशन उसके केस में, इनएक्टिविटी ऑफ लिवर अकम्पनीड बाय कॉन्स्टिपेशन सर, एस्कुलस एंड स्टिलेंजिया, याद रखना, एस्कुलस एंड स्टिलेंजिया लिख लो उधर. एस्कुलस एंड स्टिलेंजिया फॉर पोर्टल हाइपरटेंशन, एस्कुलस एंड स्टिलेंजिया. पूरा रेपेटरी बता रहा हूँ मैं आपको. क्लिंगिंग टू अटेंडेंस, एंटीम टार्ट एंड लेग कैप्रिन, एंटीम टार्ट एंड लेग कैप्रिन, clinging to attendance, antim tart and leg caprin. Leg caprinum is a goat's milk. Goat people are very clingy. Goat, bakri, bakri people. So let's move to another mother tincture. Till now clear. So let's move to another mother tincture. that is Polarina antidysentrica. This is also called Kurchi. My God, what a remedy it is, Kurchi. कल ही मैंने प्रिस्क्राइब किया कुर्ची पहने हाँ बोल रहे है ना सी द फ्लावर ऑफ कुर्ची पूरा रेपेटरी बताऊंगा मैं कॉलरिना एंटी डिसेंट्रिका प्लांट क्लासिफिकेशन it is from the Asteraceae asteroids and asteroids are subclass 6 Apocynaceae. See, Apocynaceae, very important Apocynaceae. Gentennials. Gentennials मैंने आपको बोला था बहुत important फैमिली है ऑर्डर है सॉरी ऑर्डर है family is Apocynaceae. Apocynoids tribe is genus is Hollerina, species is Antidysentrica. Now introduction. Hollerina antidysentrica mother tincture is strong homeopathic medicine that derives from the ancient Indian medicine belonging to the Apocynaceae family. It is used commonly known as kurchi. It is made from the dry bark of tincture Polarina antidysentrica, highly effective in the treatment of fever and chronic colitis. Very important. Fever and chronic colitis. If you see a patient having fever with colitis, think about kurchi. This is also helps to manage IBS cases. IBS cases and related condition in body as per research performed. See what are the research. Reduce chronic colitis. Helps in the treatment of diarrhea and dysentery. Avoid colic. Believe me, nowadays people will complain of colic. You can give kurchi because outside food, especially on Sunday, women never cook food at home. So we have to eat outside. And you may have complaint of colic. So keep mother tincture kurchi with you. Helps in stopping rectal bleeding. My God, rectal bleeding. Cures irritable bowel syndrome. Cure लिखा है. Cure. Palliation नहीं है सर. Cure है. कैंट लेक्चर में आप देखोगे क्योर लिखता है कैंट. कुर्सी कैंट में नहीं है. वर्ड मैं बोल. Mind anxiety, hurry with irritability, head pain, heat pain, discoloration, tongue white. This is important again. White. Dryness of tongue, very important. Dysentery and amoebic dysentery. Amoebic dysentery, very important. Heat pain in head, very important. Chest pain, weakness, weakness of heart. This is the information of Kurchi, Olarigna antidysentrica. Next mother teacher, Eagle marmaros, Bill Patra, Bale, the fruit bale, not folia, fruit bale. बेल का मुरब्बा भी बनता है. This is fruit of bale, Eagle marmaros. This is bale fruit, Eagle marmaros fruit. Subclass 5, very important subclass, especially the rutaceae. And I told you, no, Sapindales, very important. पूरा lecture Sapindales पे ले सकते हैं. Lectures and lectures on Sapindales. Family Rutaceae. Subfamilies Orantiodales or orange family. Orange is also from this family, Rutaceae, orange. Genus Aegil, species Aegil marmalus. Plant classification, Aegil marmalus. Other repertory or repertory of mistake making, speaking in spelling, pain, cold application, ambulation, eyes, very important. Pain exertion of eyes, like ruta cases, no, it is from the ruta stem. Lacrimation, burning, stitching pain, styes, very important, stye. Rectum diarrhea, dysentery. Cancer meme, oh my God. Cancer meme accompanied by skin, POD orange, my God. Believe me, in cancer cases, you can use this, this is POD orange. This is the breast which becomes POD orange. One of the remedy is Hegel marbles in cancer cases. The orange peel-like appearance of the breast skin is the symptom of inflammatory breast cancer. POD orange. Eagle marmalus, Gartner, Hydrostis, Sarsa, and Visco marble. Eagle marmalus. Another peculiar symptom you will get from many patients. Peculiar symptom. Confirmed in many cases where you will see chest eruption, friction of clothes, aggravation. The lady will tell you when she wears undergarments like bra, in between the two breasts, they will have the eruption. And one of the remedy is eagle marbles. बहुत परेशान होते lots many money has been spent. He'll tell you visited lot of dermatologists, but this skin is not good. And because it is a syphilitic syphilitic expression of syphilis, expression of syphilitic eruption. This is important. You may not have seen, but I have seen cases treated well with Igil marmalus, and especially those Muslim ladies who are wearing burkhas, burkha. बुरखे में जो लेडीज होते हैं वो खुद अंदर से गर्म हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि काला बुरखा होता है. काला बुरखे के अंदर ये जो पहनते हैं उसके बीच में जो इरप्शन होता है, दैट इज एगिल मार्मस. Believe me, if you give in mother tincture application, mother tincture, this is a miracle medicine. Now I'll give you a reference of Dr. Sarkar. The remedy is mixture of bryonia and lycopodium plus bleeding. It is one of the most important remedy in clinical practice for IBS. Known as a bale fruit and appears to have little or no effect in acute dysentery. When there is definite tenesmus and discharge of bloody mucus, believe me, patient will tell you about this bloody mucus. through the powder drug, especially recommended for this condition. Powder drug, powdered medicine is also available. The benefit effect of bale food are, however, most evidently when condition becomes subacute and chronic. After administration of this condition, blood gradually disappears. Gradually disappears. Psychotic expression. The stool assumes more flocculent and solid form. Claims have been made that relief flatulent colic, flatulent Elysium like. Elysium has this flatulent colic. Elysium. Suffering from a condition, chronic gastric intestinal cataract. Very just you see from Dr. Sarkar. Bale fruit has been used indigenous medicine for very long time. It has such a great reputation in the treatment of diarrhea and dysentery that it made official in British pharmacopoeia. Very difficult to put in British pharmacopoeia. Charaka has found its efficacy in fever and piles cases. Now the repertory. Very difficult to get this repertory. Mind, anger, headache with mistake making, spelling, sing. ADH case you can give. Taciturn indisposed to talk, headache during walking ambulation, like Kaliard cases. They like to walk, Kaliard. Then vertigo, fall tendency to forward, lying ambulation, standing aggression, walking while, head left side, T ambulation, my God, pulsatilla cases, चाय तो चाहिए, चाय पे चर्चा, चाय is better, चाय, pulsatilla, adverse effect of chai, tia, then kali hypophos, diasporia, pulsatilla, calcira salt, carbolic acid, and many others. Head left closing, headache left looking at the object.